In this video, we delve into the concept of achieving anything through a Zen approach. By embracing simplicity and motivation, you can unlock your full potential and reach your goals. Zen principles offer a universal path to success, applicable to anyone seeking personal growth and fulfillment. Join us on this journey as we explore how a Zen mindset can empower you to achieve anything you set your mind to. Zen philosophy emphasizes mindfulness and living in the present moment, allowing individuals to focus on the task at hand without distractions. By embracing simplicity and clarity, Zen practitioners can achieve a deep sense of inner peace and purpose. From business leaders to athletes, many have found success by applying Zen principles in their daily lives, showcasing the transformative power of this ancient philosophy. Setting clear and achievable goals is crucial in the pursuit of success. By defining goals with clarity and specificity, individuals can create a roadmap to guide their actions and measure progress. Visualization and positive affirmations play a key role in reinforcing goals and maintaining motivation. When goals are set mindfully, they provide a sense of direction and purpose, fueling continuous progress towards personal and professional achievements. Incorporating mindfulness practices into your daily routine can significantly enhance focus and productivity. Simple exercises like deep breathing and body scans can help you stay present and calm amidst daily challenges. By reducing stress and improving decision-making, mindfulness empowers you to navigate life with clarity and purpose. Regular practice of mindfulness is key to long-term success in achieving a balanced and fulfilling lifestyle. Simplicity has the power to declutter the mind, fostering creativity and growth. By simplifying your life, you can enhance overall well-being and productivity. Tips on streamlining daily routines and environments can create space for what truly matters. Letting go of unnecessary complexities and embracing a minimalist mindset can lead to a more fulfilling and purposeful existence. Resilience and adaptability are key in navigating obstacles on the path to success with a Zen mindset. Embracing challenges as opportunities for growth, individuals can transform setbacks into stepping stones towards their goals. By staying calm and focused during difficult times, one can maintain clarity and determination. Stories of those who have triumphed through Zen practices serve as inspiration for overcoming adversity with grace. Acknowledging small victories and milestones is essential in the journey towards success. By recognizing progress, individuals can boost motivation and self-esteem. Practicing gratitude and self-appreciation fosters a positive mindset, fueling continued growth and perseverance. Rewarding oneself for reaching goals in alignment with Zen principles reinforces the value of hard work and dedication, creating a cycle of positivity and achievement. In conclusion, applying Zen principles is key to achieving success. By embracing mindfulness and simplicity, individuals can unlock their full potential and navigate challenges with grace. It's time to start your journey towards goal achievement by incorporating these principles into your daily life. Subscribe, like, and share this video to inspire others on their path to success. Explore more content for continued motivation and growth.